get ready with me to go ship a client. We are not doing much today. I am done doing my face routine, so all I need to do now is just to apply my sunscreen and get going. So for those of you that keep asking what I use on my skin, I guess it's not a new thing anymore. Many of you know what I use on my skin, right? So this is Gorgeous Skin Light and Glow Body Oil. I have been using this for the past 3 years, so this is my go-to. And many of you know the issues I have with body lotion, so I only use body moisturizer sometimes, but this is my go-to. This is a lightening oil, and this is very, very good on the skin. You can see how glowing my skin looks, and this is not a filter, it's not a Snapchat. And then I use this during the day, so I currently apply this on my skin right now. And this is a Glow Body Oil. This just tones the skin, doesn't lighten the skin. So I use this during the day, and then I use this at night. So if you want to purchase any of this, please do send us a DM. I'll leave my number on the screen. So I have this returning client that I've been purchasing my product for the past a year now. So the first time she purchased our product, she started with Gorgeous Skin Hot Talking Oil, which did a great job on her skin. So she came back this time around ordering a huge quantity. So she actually ordered for like 2 liters of Gorgeous Skin Lightening Glow Body Oil. So you can actually use the oil without body lotion. Okay, so it's not a big deal. You don't really need to overstress yourself with it. So this is my lip. And then I use Gorgeous Skin Pink Lip Balm. So this is 4,000 naira. It gives you this natural pink lip look. So, and then it's very safe on the lip. And then the result is, it's crazy. You get your result within 2 weeks, like a visible result within 2 weeks. And after that, you don't need to be applying it every day. For me, I use it every day. It's like a lip gloss for me. So after this, I go in with my sunscreen. I actually plan to use Aqua sunscreen today, but I've already applied this. So I use these 2 sunscreen on my face while I use this on my body. This particular one, I dare not use it on my face because my eyes, I do not want to cry, so I just kind of avoid that one. So this, I started using this for the past 1 week, and I must say it's not bad at all. Just that you have to apply more pressure to massage it before it disappears. So I'm going to take my time to do this, and then I'll be right back. An order with me for a returning client. She ordered Gorgeous Skin Hot Talking Oil for face and body. These are glow whitening body oil. You can use this without body lotion. If you don't like body lotion, trust me, this will do a great job for you. This order is going to the US. Carrot and papaya whitening scrub. She got Gorgeous Skin Herbal Lightening soap. You see this soap, guys? You need to try this soap. This soap is so good. You see, it's very thick and it lathers so well. So this will last you for a long period of time. She got 2 of this Gorgeous Skin Glow Elixir body oil. This is a great body oil. How glowing my skin looks. So I mostly use this during the day, and I use the Hot Talking oil at night. So I'm going to be adding this to it. This is an empty container because, like I said, this is for a personal use, so she might need to dispatch a little from this into this. That's why I'm adding this for her. And then this lid that came with the 1 liter. So I noticed that this cannot hold the oil from spilling, so I decided to use this cover and then add this instead. So when it gets to her, she can remove the lid and replace it with this one. So I'm not going to be wrapping it because once I get to the shipping company that I use, they will have to unwrap it and then repackage it themselves. So that's why I decided to just put it in a beautiful Gorgeous Skin carton bags. She also got Gorgeous Skin Pink Lip Balm. So these are pink lip balm. She got 3 of this. 5 kg. That was much.
Oh,
that can come in again.
5 kg.
5 kg. Get as much.
Oh, put more please.
No, it's okay. As long as you don't compress the oil, that's my major concern. Let's go.